recently while speaking about Orange County's vaccine mandate for its workers. Some Orange County firefighters said they were taking more patients to the hospital with vaccine side effects than people with coronavirus.
West 2's Bob Hazen went to Advent Health to ask them directly if that was true.
Orange County firefighters and EMTs are the first healthcare providers for many people when they suffer serious medical issues. And these days, that often means COVID. But some firefighters who are protesting the county's requirement that all employees get the COVID vaccine are sounding alarms about the shot. At this week's county commission meeting, they said that they're responding to large numbers of people suffering from medical complications after getting the vaccine.
I transport more people, more Central Florida brothers and sisters that are vaccinated with issues, adverse reactions, or with COVID than I do unvaccinated.
On a daily basis, dispatch receives an excessive amount of 911 calls regarding vaccine reactions.
WESH 2 has been looking into those claims, and we asked Central Florida's biggest hospital systems if that's what they're seeing.
The answer is no.
Advent Health officials say at the system's hospitals and CentraCare locations, they are not dealing with serious problems.
We have not seen increased complications or visits to the emergency room post-vaccines.
In our urgent care centers, at most we'll see, the typical side effects of arm soreness or maybe fatigue and fever afterwards, but we see the same thing after the flu shot.
I asked Orlando Health as well, and they would not give me a direct response to the question, but instead sent a statement saying that failing to get vaccinated is the biggest predictor of serious illness and death from COVID-19. I also checked with Orange County Fire Rescue about whether the 911 call center has seen a large amount of vaccine reaction calls. An agency spokeswoman says they don't have any special classification for COVID-related calls, so they don't have any information about it. There is one place to find reports of possible problems, and that's on the CDC's Vaccine Adverse Event Reporting System, or VAERS, which is available online. When hospitals do deal with vaccine adverse reactions, they report them to VAERS, but the database has some major limitations. Anyone can report reactions to it, and those reports can be unverified or just wrong. Plus, there's no confirmation that any reaction reported actually had anything to do with the shot. It could be just a coincidence. Even so, I searched it for reports after the Moderna and Pfizer shots that led to hospitalization, ER visits, and deaths in Florida. There were over 4,000 results. Some were serious, although many were for minor reactions and the patients recovered. That number, though, still is minuscule compared to the 13 million Floridians who have been vaccinated. And hospitals say any risk is far outweighed by the benefit.
We're not seeing a lot of reactions. This is a very safe vaccine.
In Orange County, Bob Hazen, WESH 2 News.